Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a Formula 1 diecast, and this one is from the Scuderia Ferrari team. We have Carlos Sainz 2022 F1 car. So on the package, you got the Ferrari logo, the Formula 1 75 Ferrari car, and on the back you can get like a Charles Leclerc 2018 version or a, I don't know what the other one is, or a 143. But this is a 143 scale car. As you can see, there is Carlos Sainz in the picture. And let's get Carlos Sainz out of his box. Finally, get the packaging out. So here is Carlos Sainz Ferrari car. So the F1 car has a new design in 2022 with a bigger front wing, with a newer look on the front wing, and on the back too, larger wheels. So on his Scuderia Ferrari car, he has a number 55, just like his number ever since he started F1 racing. This time with a black 55. On the front, it's got Santander, Amazon, Shell and Pennzoil, and Valleys. On the sides, you got another Shell Pennzoil, the Ferrari logo, which is right there. Snapdragon. And obviously on top, you got the number 75 with the Ferrari flag colors, because in the 2022 season was Ferrari's 75th anniversary. The same black 55. On the back, you have on this front wing, it says Valleys. And on the sides, you got Shell V-Power and Valleys. And the other side is just the same. Obviously, some models will have a driver in there, but in this one, it doesn't have a model. So I'm showing you in the car throughout this video was that it's in a die-cast case. If you want to remove it, unscrew the screw, and that way you can just pop it right out. But you can put it back in without the screw as well, because they got the holes on the underside of the car too. I'll give you a nice view look of the car. And that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.